Today, we found some of the fundamental particles that has built this universe. We classify them into quarks, leptons, bosons. To know the logic behind all these discoveries, we have to move to 1803, where a scientist from England known as John Dalton gave a theory that tells us that all material is made up of tiny building blocks called atom, which is indivisible and indestructible building blocks. While all atoms of an element were identical, different elements had different atoms of different size and mass. This is what Dalton told. Dalton thought atom is a solid and it doesn't know that atoms are divisible. But today we know that atoms are divisible. But we have to know from where Dalton got this logic or idea. Yes, actually Dalton got this logic from law of conservation of mass. If there is 1 kg of water in a cylinder, where half kg of water is evaporated as gas, then what is the remaining amount of water in the cylinder? Obviously we know half kg. But how a visible water in the cylinder go invisible into atmosphere? This is what the question that lied at the time in the mind of scientist. Here only Dalton came to a conclusion that there must be a tiny thing that must have built this water, not only water but all other substance in this universe. That tiny little thing, he thought it is a solid like thing which is very small. It keeps on building bigger molecules. So he called as atom, that we already saw. So we have found the logic that motivated Dalton to form his theory, and he strongly believed that these small solid particles, that is tiny particles, cannot be seen through naked eyes. So we cannot use microscope also because it is very small. But this theory didn't lasted for long. Between 1838 and 1851, British natural philosopher Richard Slaming developed the idea that atom is composed of a core of matter surrounded by subatomic particles that had unit electrical charge. This means atom is divisible. After this idea, every scientist started the journey of finding subatomic particles. In this findings of subatomic particles, in this journey, electron was found first, then proton, then neutron. At last, God particle Higgs boson in 2012 at CERN. The journey still continues in classifying the atom. So, the future may be different. We may find more and more number of particles that can change this world different from what we see. Let's wait and see, and the story continues.